Enhance your home security by protecting your up and over garage doors with the Burton Security Garage Guard. Garage Guard is the first garage door defender available, rigorously tested and certified to meet Sold Secure Silver standards. We tested our Garage Guard thoroughly in our Design and Innovation Center, employing a drill, crowbar, and hammer during the evaluation. Despite our rigorous attempts, the Garage Guard successfully withstood the attack test, mirroring the standard set by the Sold Secure official testing. Enhance your home security with the Garage Guard. If it matters to you, secure it with us.